What's up, my Pugnails? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to finally go over one of my favorite products for the Samsung S26 Ultra. This is the Telesin Master Grip Creator Kit that I think is fantastic for your on-the-go vlogging, running and gunning, cinematic shots, photography, slow-mo, and an all-around creator kit that I think is great, that has some of the best accessories there that you use on the daily. It's got a pro grip that allows for multiple functions: zoom, focus, and recording. It's also got built-in MagSafe battery to give you wireless charging on the go. It's got full app control. It's got a physical filter expansion, ND filter. It's even got a case that has aluminum around the edges, scratch resistant. It's also got a light that allows for multiple different scenes, brightnesses, and even selfie, front-facing camera or back-facing camera support as well. With that said, the folks at Telesin provided me their Master Grip Creator Kit here complimentary, and they sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox this, demonstrate, and then go on location showing off some of the best features. I reviewed this for the iPhone 17 Pro Max and I was just blown away. This is the best grip. This is the best creator kit out there that I think is available, and they now have it available for the Samsung. Here is the case here. You can see it's adorned with the anodized aluminum. It is open here and here. It does have nice grips though around the edges, giving you some rigidity and scratch protection. You've got your anodized aluminum and some of the other features that we'll show off. On the inside here, you do have a wrist strap that does cinch on your hand. It does come with a nice microfiber cloth, and then your creator kit as well. You've got the handheld Pro Grip, which has the wireless charging on the back. You have your charging port that shows your battery life. You have a 1/4-inch mount, and then obviously the slot there for your wrist strap. Then you also have your light with multiple functions here, brightness, as well as your ND filter. It even comes with a charging cable and its own little tote to carry in, which again, this is some of the best in class here as it pertains to charging, creator kit, and all-around usability. I love this thing. Showing you off first, you have a front-facing MagSafe where you can place the camera light on there. On the back side, you get your charging pad, up to 10 watts, which I think is great. A nice ergonomic grip that gives you some heft. It's got some anodized aluminum, a thumb grip here, as well as a tele and wide angle zoom. You've got a function button that rattles, which is nice. So if you want to switch through scenes, you've got your photo button or focus, and then an FN button, and then your shutter button, which is nice, which does halfway press and then presses all the way. You've got your light, which is MagSafe compatible as well. It can act as a little bit of a stand. It can flip to the front here if you want to have a front-facing selfie, or obviously in the back. It's got a power button here showing you off how bright it is. This is the warm color. You can go ahead and go to the dimmest all the way to the brightest, which is super bright. You can turn it on and off and have it flash featured. It also can connect wirelessly here as a wireless flash, which is nice. And then you can change the cool or the warm. This is in between. This is warm. This is cool. And you have all those functions here available, which I think is great. It's got a little diffuser here, so it's not blinding. And then the Bluetooth light here to connect for acting as a shutter, as a flash here when you connect it to your device. You've got your ND filter, which is nice to be able to use for action. It peels off. It can easily slide onto the mount. Showing you here, it's an ND filter, ND16, which I really like. Let's go ahead now and throw our phone on here. It's going to just clip from the bottom to the top right there in place. It's going to grip around the bezel. It's not going to push up against the screen protector, and it is going to be a little bit open here, as well as giving you protection around the edges, but still allowing you full functionality of the rest of your phone. I really like that. It's got a nice little kickstand, which is made of anodized aluminum, allowing you to scroll, stream, use your phone in any direction that you need. And then obviously it's got the MagSafe. If you wanted to throw a separate battery on there, you could, or if you wanted to throw a wallet, you can. Otherwise, we're going to just use the Telesin grip, showing you here what this looks like when it's connected here vertically, horizontally. You have that option as well. I think that's great. Okay, we're here on location with the Telesin Master Grip. This is what it looks like in the hand. Obviously, you've got a couple orientations here, however you want to shoot. I'm really impressed with the connection, how it's so easy. You literally just hit power, press the red button, and then go into your Bluetooth settings and connect. What's nice here is you've got a couple of different options for the grip. If you have the grip and the light on, it will synchronize. When you press the shutter button to take a picture, you'll see the flash go off. That's what the middle section section is, but if you go into video mode and you just want to turn it on, you can go into video mode, you can hit the button for the flash and it will turn it on and off. You obviously press the power button to change the different modes from cool to warm to light, and then you can adjust with this little button here how soft or how bright it is. Obviously, because we're in the middle of the day, it's not going to be necessary, but you can have some fill light here, especially if you've got some harsh shadows and you're wanting to film, you can do that as well. And you can obviously pivot it here, which makes it into such a nice content creation and photography machine. And then you've also got the grip, which has a bunch of buttons. You've got your zoom, which is very responsive. You can use the zoom to zoom all the way up, completely to the furthest. You can zoom all the way out here, which is nice. And then we can zoom in here as we record with the zoom very easily. I really like that. The FN button will switch to your gallery so you can look back at your videos, which is gonna allow you to switch, which is gonna allow you to toggle to your gallery. And then obviously the circle button here will wake up, but it does switch modes from front to back facing camera. This standby button, circle button, is gonna switch the cameras from front facing to back facing, which is easy. You can see that, as well as this mode toggle that switches every single type of camera mode. You can toggle with this little scroll wheel, the different modes. So if you want to change to portrait or back to video, you can do that. And then shutter button obviously allows you to take the picture or start the video. And when you have it off and you press the button, it will still do the shutter. If you have the ring light on and you press the button, it's not going to flash. With the wrist strap on, let's go ahead and take some video using this. I've also got the ND filter, the ND16 on, so it's going to make this really sunny day have a little bit more cinematic as I move around, and the shutter with some motion blur, which I think is nice to be able to have, especially on a sunny day like this. Shooting in 4K here, handheld. This unit is really nice. I'm recording from the microphone. The wide angle lens, I think, is a great option here. It's so stable. Obviously, the computational photography and optical image stabilization makes this really easy to be able to shoot vlogs. Pointing into the sun, you can still see how blue that sky is. And then as we transition to my fence, where it's a little bit more shady, you're still able to get the really nice dark juxtaposed against the bright greens and whatnot. Coming up close here, you can use the device to toggle on zoom, which I think is fine and easy. You can zoom in there without having to press the screen to get nice bokeh and blur as we zoom onto that subject. We can zoom even further if we wanted to, because this camera can zoom all the way to 25x. We don't have to press the screen here. We can just use and toggle all the way to the ultra wide if we wanted to get something, everything in shot, including the entirety of my house from the corner. I like that. And then walking around as a breeze here, being able to do the normal functions of this phone, including jumping in and getting some macro shots all in one take. The Master Grip does a great job giving you that cinematic experience. Having this and toggling through each of the different settings and zoom and having the flash, I think it is an awesome option. Toggling it to the front-facing camera was so easy, all in my hand without having to touch the screen. I can hold it out and obviously see myself, but being able to hold this from the grip, or if we wanted to, we could set it down. It can act as a little tripod, so if you place it down, we can step away. If we wanted to set it down, got a nice little kickstand to be able to do so. Obviously, this is on the ground, but you can put it on a more elevated area, and since I have a microphone, easy to be able to step away from it if you wanted to. And hand holding is really nice because there is some image stabilization going on, and this device does not interrupt that at all because you're using the native app, which is something that I really appreciate and like. I always like to show bokeh here. Samsung has some good bokeh as you zoom in a little bit more. You can see the bokeh balls in the background. It's hard to tell because it's broad daylight, but this camera is fantastic. And using it with this Telesin Master Grip, I think, is an awesome option too. Now I want to show off some motion blur here, getting some video of cars driving by as I'm moving the camera, showing you off this phone. I think it's fantastic with a wrist strap that is adjustable and made out of anodized aluminum. It just looks super sleek in the hand, being able to make content. You've got this light source, which I think is nice. You can hold it up in this orientation if you wanted to make TikToks or you wanted to be able to stream or scroll. It's really nice to be able to have. It also can sit up on its own like this as its own little kickstand if you wanted to have a talking at camera kind of a thing, or you wanted it to shoot in this direction. It's got so many different options here to be able to accessorize with. And you also saw the shots on location where I use this as a selfie cam. I was able to zoom. I was able to use all the different functions. I really like this scroll wheel, being able to switch between different features. And it's just an all-around fantastic option here to be able to use to run in the gun to make content. With that said, the folks at Telesin did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.